Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a brow tutorial. And yes, I know I did a brow tutorial a long time ago, but my technique and the products that I use to do my brows have changed ever since. Thank goodness, because back then I thought I knew what I was doing, and right now my favorite product is the It Cosmetic Brow Power, which I will give you more details here in a little bit, but that is like my holy grail right now. So now if you are new, go down below and hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell notification right next to it too, so I can keep you up to date with the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials that I do in my channel, and that way we can keep your face beat all year long. So let's get to it. I already have one brow done, so I'm just gonna show you how to do the other brow step by step. What I'm using is the It Cosmetic Brow Power Pencil. This is what it looks like, and this is a pencil in the universal shade, so basically it works for everybody. It has a spoolie on one end, and then on the other side it's the pencil product. I'm gonna show you a swatch of it right here, and you can go as light as you want or as dark as you want. You just have to press harder on it, or just be like very light-handed with it, and it is just personal preference. I will show you how I do it. This one is on the universal shade, so it basically means that it works for everybody, but I can only speak for myself. This works for me, so I am just gonna show you how to do it. So I like to start off by brushing the brows up. Then once I do that, I am going to outline my brows, and I'm gonna start off like right about there, and I'm just gonna use a very light hand on it. So I'm gonna start like right here, and I'm gonna outline the bottom of my brow. And I just kind of just follow my natural shape, and then I start just filling in from back here. Then on the top, I'm gonna start about right here, and I'm gonna draw another line, very light. And I'm gonna bring it down to the tail of my brows. And then again, just filling it in. Now on the front, I am going to just do hair-like strokes, like starting like right here where my brows starts, where my hair brow starts. And very light on the hand too. With the spoolie, I'm just gonna brush it up. And I'm gonna continue to brush my brows up and towards the tail of my brow. If you see any bald spots, you just go back and fill those in. And I'm just gonna go back and forth with the same method until I achieve the brows that I am comfortable with. Now to lock them in place, I'm going to use my brow gel in the shade medium. I received this product in my Boxycharm a few months ago, and I also received my brow pencil in my Boxycharm as well. And I know that this brow pencil retails for $24. I am not sure how much this one is, but I will leave it somewhere in here for you guys. But I'm gonna use this one to just lock my brows in place so they don't go anywhere. And this one is a tinted gel, brow gel. So it has a little bit of color to it. I'll show you. So what I like to do is just brush my hairs up. Then I like to go back with a concealer. It can be any concealer that you want. I'm gonna use the Rimmel London Match Perfect concealer in the shade Fair, and I'm just gonna apply that on like the bottom of my lashes just to clean it up a little. And these are my final brows. I like to do this for like a daily basis. If I want to do something more bold, I might add like a little bit of like a pomade on it. But I really enjoy using this brow pencil. Is so easy to use. So this is like my favorite product at the moment. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell. And I will see you guys on my next video.